Hey, what's up, Facebook family? How's everyone doing? If you're tuning in live, make sure you like this, give me some hearts and all that stuff. Drop a comment and let me know, what city, what state, what country you're tuning in from. Got a special guest about to be here. I was trying to invite him to the video from the laptop, but we got some technical difficulties. But you know what? Sometimes you got technical difficulties and you give up and you stop doing what you're doing, or you just make it happen and figure it out. So hey, I see some people hopping on. So I'll wait a couple seconds, let some people get on here, like this, comment, so I know who's here, so I know where you're watching from. Hey, what's up? It's a little sunny out here. I'm trying to work on my tan a little bit. See, we got, was it Bless Ellis, I think it says. Sheila, Thomas, how's everyone doing? Like I said, I got a special guest. It's one of my best friends and business partners, Bill. He's about to hop on here. Got my phone out. We're going to do that. Hey, what's up, Thomas Roney? How you doing, my friend? Get this on speakerphone here.
Yo!
Hey, we're on Facebook Live.
My man. How's everybody doing?
Got some people hopping on right now. Yeah, it's all good. So anyways, we were talking earlier about some updates and some things. We've been rocking and rolling for a year and a half with a great, company, because, both of us, no embarrassment, nothing, but both of us had, banged up credit a year and a half ago that, we needed to get cleaned up, and we were both kind of talking about that. And some friends of ours happened to be doing an affiliate type program, like, all these programs you see nowadays, you join as a customer and then it says, would you like to become an affiliate, and blah, blah, blah. So just wanted to bring you on here. I wanted to invite you on the video. I know we had some technical difficulties, but I know you and I, we both, and I want to give everyone some backstory. Bill and I, we've worked together before this. We've done other programs, health and wellness programs. We've been great friends, even before we were doing this. And we've always kind of worked well together, always kind of stuck together, made money together, and, had a really great friendship come out of that. But also, so like I said, we've been working with this credit repair, for a year and a half now. And we both needed our credit fixed up and things like that nature. So, I had some negative items. I co-signed for, an ex-girlfriend. I was stupid to get a car. And, I made some mistakes. I'm sure Bill had made some mistakes. I'm not going to tell y'all his whole story. But, Bill, I know since you've been in this program a year and a half, you've fixed up your credit. You've bought some new toys. You got some new toys. You've made, you've done a lot of traveling and stuff like that. You've made career changes. So, if you just want to real quickly go over that for a little bit with everybody, man, I'd really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me on, and thank you everybody for tuning in to what we got going on. Like Joe said, we became friends a while back, business partners, really good friends, did a lot of traveling together, working together, helping some people, which is really cool, really powerful. My story with this credit restoration company, FES, is, about a year and a half ago, as we were building other business, you can make money, but as long as your credit is shot, you're in trouble. You can make all the money in your world. I had big network marketers come to me and say, Bill, I make tons of money, but they're not approving me because my credit is shot. So I need to get some services done. So that's pretty cool too. I'm sitting there a year and a half ago, and I'm like, I'm a grown man, and I'm sitting here with a poor credit score. What the heck's going on with me? Why am I being so stupid? The banks make tons of money off of us people with bad credit, and they love it. But, my personal opinion was I had 3 children, and I wanted them to be proud of their dad. I wanted to go out and get a house and, have a place for them as they get older to bring their family. And that was really important to me, leaving that kind of legacy, that kind of power of respect that your kids would have for you. Because, honestly, if you're sitting there and you have poor credit, but you're not really in need of anything, it's not a big factor to you. But once it becomes important, then you want to take action. Then you're going to do whatever it takes. If you have to buy a car, if you have to go get a house, or whatever you want to do. So that's why I got involved with this. I wasn't even looking to build the business side of it. Really, I wasn't. I was more concerned with getting my score up, getting my credibility back, my self-esteem back, my pride back, and stuff like that. And then, like Joe said, a couple of our friends that we met online through social network, just like this, was basically, I probably don't know most of you other than, Facebook. We built a relationship with him. got the information about this company. Been around since 2004. Holds an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. It's all on the website. So that's powerful as well. Plus, I reviewed the products. I can't even tell you how many people came back to me and told me how impressed they are with the products just beside the credit restoration. But you can check all that out and everything like that. So 4 out of 5 judgments got deleted the first go around. So imagine you get your credit, you're working on your credit, and 4 out of 5 things got deleted the first go around.
Wow.
That gave, that was powerful right there. I wanted to do a cartwheel down the street. I keep telling people. I was so happy. I'm like, oh my God, this worked. I can't guarantee that with everybody, but we run off what's called the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 1971, where you can dispute items on your credit report.
Right.
Now, to be honest with you, these things were correct, but the whole idea is to use this service to dispute them and get the credit bureaus where they can't respond in a timely fashion or validate it 100% to get it removed. That's the whole idea of this. You got to be real with yourself as well. So, like I said, 4 out of 5 things got deleted. I was happy. So I went back to Joe. I said, dude, this works.
Yeah.
And he can tell you his story too. His mom did it. Not to get in her business, but
no, that's cool.
We have a lot of people. We have a lot of people on our team that are now posting how they're getting their score up. A couple guys just bought cars, like myself. I bought one in December.
Yep. New cars.
Get to travel around. Get to travel around to different events. Got over 400 agents on the team and growing. So, anything else that you wanted to ask me about this?
Well, I mean, I feel like you covered it pretty well. It was cool, hearing your story. People are commenting, how sincere, everything you're saying is. And, you brought up my mom, and that's a great story too, because, when a year and a half ago when I signed up my mom as a customer and everything to do this, she was out of a bank. She had just gotten out of a bankruptcy a couple years ago, and they were all telling her, it's going to take 7 to 10 years and all this stuff. And then after doing, following the process and doing everything and the letters, and her score jumped to like a 820, something, I forget exactly. And she just went to go refinance the house, and she was paying like $750 a month or $700 a month, which is it's not a lot. But what happened was she called them and they were refinancing, and her payment now, I think she said it's like only like $500 a month. So people tell me all the time, people are like, Joe, I can't afford to repair my credit. I can't afford the setup fee, and I can't afford the monthly fee. I mean, honestly, they can't afford not to, because think about what I just said. Like, and that's just one instance of savings that she's gotten. You know what I mean? There's so many more, instances, from interest rates,
right.
And insurance and stuff like that. So now she's saving an extra, $250 a month, 200 average a month. And guess what? Our services are way less than $200 a month, and it's not like you have to, pay them the rest of your life. You know what I mean? It's a 3 to 4, 6 month service. So it's like now, I mean, she could do whatever she wants with that extra $200 a month, pay off credit cards, go on vacation, save it. I mean, she could do whatever she wants, but that would not have been possible had she not raised her score and fixed her credit after the bankruptcy. So yeah, guys, I mean, credit is, it's super powerful. I mean, like I said in the beginning of this video, I had some negative stuff on there, from my past, and I tried to do everything, pay all my bills on time, all my credit, all that stuff was pretty much good, but just a couple mistakes, from when I was younger. And like I said earlier, co-signing for an ex-girlfriend to get a car and then it getting repoed. It's, no need to get into all that drama, but it's just, it messed up my score for a good year or two. But now since I've been in this company as a customer, actually as an agent, because, I'm sure Bill will tell you, you can become a customer or an agent. Customers, they can't earn the service for free because there's no referral link. But as an agent, I had the opportunity to, get my services for free each month. I know Bill gets his services for free each month. And on top of that, our agents get life insurance. But what else I know you were talking about some of the other services outside of credit repair in the back office, for our customers as well as our agents. I had a customer and she was super excited because she signed up, her and her husband to get their credit repaired. But as she was browsing through her back office, she actually found a health insurance package back there for her and her family. I forget who provided it, whatnot, one of the main names. And, she was saving X amount of dollars per month. I forget how much she said exactly, but for her, her husband, and like 2 or 3 kids to get health insurance through her FES back office, just as a customer, mind you guys, she's not an agent. She was able to lock in some big savings. So I don't know if anything you wanted to add, Bill. Like I said, I didn't want this live to be too long. I want people to watch the replay.
Yeah, dude, that's strong, man, because now your mom's saving $3,000 a month by doing like 2 to 6 months of credit repair.
Yeah, yeah, it's
Right?
crazy, bro. Yeah, she's saving.
She's saving about, a couple $100 a month off of her mortgage. So if you're sitting there and you got approved for a mortgage and you were sweating it out because you got a bad score, put in 2 to 6 months of really working on your credit, go refi and save all that money. The return on investment is insane. So, same thing with me. My score went up about 200 points, still working on it.
Yeah, me too.
And Joe said we got some amazing products in the back office. So included in the package is like 13 different products. You get LifeLock. Think about that, with everybody's identity being stolen. That's included for free. A lockbox to put all your financial information. A debt zero program to show you how to get your debt down to zero. We have attorneys on file that are for free included. You get a will, a trust, and a power of attorney. If you go out there and you do that with an attorney, that's like, I don't even know, $600, $3,000. So everything is included in one nice package, and we are much more than credit restoration. So that's why I'm really proud. But another thing we do also, Joe, which you know about, is called the YFL, where we go into schools, and $2 out of every protection plan membership goes into this program to educate kids on their finances. Also to give them scholarships to get into colleges as well. So it's something to be really proud about.
Yeah, that's a great cause as well. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to bring Bill on here and kind of interview him for a little bit. Definitely want to end this up real quick, but I just want to say I appreciate all of you guys hopping in, tuning in. Bill for taking a few minutes out of his I would say busy schedule, but I know he quit his job due to becoming a credit repair agent. So I know he's at home probably kicking it, man. Right? You're working from home, kicking it, having a good time. But
yeah, well, 20 years in the casino industry. Took me 11 and a half months of working hard with this, and was able to walk away.
Yeah.
So now I'm available. The biggest thing for me is time freedom, not board freedom, but time freedom. My kids have doctor's appointments today. I can take them. My son and daughter have sporting events. I can go to them. Just think about putting in the effort for a year working with Joe and myself and some other leaders and creating that freedom for yourself. Just definitely check it out. Just definitely check this out.
Yeah, I mean, like you said, man, it takes a year commitment. I mean, I see so many people that are about to break through. They've been in for a couple months, maybe almost a year, and then they give up on themselves. They give up. And, I mean, it's sad because they're so close to hitting that breakthrough. I mean, even, me and you were talented marketers and everything, but, even sometimes, it takes a year to, get things going and really, build and identify with the workers and stuff like that. But I appreciate you, man. I'm so glad you shared this service, with me and my family and this, opportunity. It's changed my life and my income and my credit. And so I just want to thank you. I want to thank everyone who tuned in and watched this. Like Bill said, if you had any questions, I'm sure I'm trying to read all these comments, but you guys have so many coming and stuff. I'm going to read all these comments and get back to you for any of you guys who had any questions about, maybe becoming a client, maybe becoming an agent and getting your services for free, getting life insurance. Like Bill and I both, now we have a $100,000 life insurance policy each. A year and a half ago, we didn't have that. I know he's got, 3 kids, so it's very important. I don't have any kids, but I still want to be secure and be ready if I ever do, or family member. So this opportunity and service and company has really been great. So I appreciate you all tuning in. If you're watching this replay, just drop a comment. Let me know replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. I appreciate you all. Love my Facebook friends, Facebook family, all you guys that have supported me over the years. Becoming a credit client or buying my books or whatever it was. I appreciate you all. And I'm gonna wrap up this video. Appreciate you, Bill. Thanks for answering. Thanks for hopping on. And I'll be in touch soon. I got to come up and visit. Let's hit up the casinos in Atlantic City. Talk to you later. So, all right, guys, I'm heading out here. It's hot. I'm probably about to go jump in the pool. And that's it. What is today? I forgot. Today's Wednesday. Wind down Wednesday. So I'm about to go enjoy the rest of my day. I think I got some events. There's a fundraiser later today for a good cause. What else am I doing today? I don't know. I got to look at my calendar on my phone. But love you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. And I will see you on the next Facebook Live or the next event. Take care.